Hi everyone, I am Drsnsrcas, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science. My topic is Corporate Law, Unit 2. Third topic is the Articles of Association. What are the Articles of Association? The Articles of Association are written rules about running a company agreed by the shareholders or guarantors, directors, and the company secretary. They are recorded under the Companies Act 2006 and become a public document when a company is registered with the Companies House. What are the Articles of Association means? First of all, it is designing to the companies. The companies is three types. First one is a private company, second one is a public company, third one is a guarantee shares of companies. The next, it is a prepares to the Articles of Association to register with the government and have a legal status in the corporate sector. What is the difference between memorandum of Articles of Association and Articles of Association? A memorandum of association is legal statement signed by all initial shareholders or guarantors agreeing to form a company. Again, it is a record under the Companies Act 2006. Why are the Articles of Association important and why do you need them? The Articles of Association cover a number of elements including company, purpose, it is the administrative structure, power and duties of company, the directors and the awarding of individuals. They regulate how a company is managed and are legally binding. They help ensure any decisions are compliant and that a company is being run in the correct way. The next, the model of Articles of Association. The model of Article Association are the standard defaults articles a company can use. They are prescribed by the Companies Act 2006. There are different model article of association for private companies limited by shares, private companies limited by guarantee, the public companies. The details of what each version covers can be found here. Who is bound by the Articles of Association? A company and its directors and shareholders are bound by law to comply with its own Articles of Association. The many companies will use model Articles of Association provided by the Companies Act 2006. The other companies will choose to engage lawyers to draw up bespoke Articles of Association and to ensure the articles meet the necessary statutory requirements. By law, private limited companies must have a minimum of one director. Public companies must have a minimum of 2 directors. Most company articles allow the number of directors who must be present at a meeting to make it valid. It usually specified in the articles in the model articles for a private company. It is 2 directors unless there is only one director of the company. What are the legal effects of the Article of Association? The articles are essential documents that set out a company rules. They also set out how share can be transferred and other duties. The articles are a binding legal document between a company, shareholders and directors. Both these articles are established as part of a company's formation process. They are required to be registered with the Companies House can be viewed by the public. The company should keep copies of their articles at their registered address or a single alternative inspection location address which some companies choose to use for a convenience as an alternative to the registered office. They reflect the changing needs of a business. It is possible to amend the company's article of association at any point after incorporation. A company needs the agreement from the shareholders before changing its articles. This can include changes to your company's objects. What your company does is in business. If you have registered your company online, you have to adopt the model articles by submitting the memorandum online. If your company is registered by paper application, you can choose either the model or Facebook articles. Both the memorandum and the Facebook articles must be submitted by the post. So it is very important to the articles of association. So everything it should be concluded. You can download a company's memorandum and articles of association from the company's house website. In this model of disclaimer in efficiency to the information of advisory services in the articles of association. Thank you.